We've been gaslit about the economy. The news is saying it's booming, but most of us are still struggling to afford groceries. That's because corporations are artificially raising prices to increase their profits, and no one is stopping them. But Kamala Harris just announced she plans to ban price gouging for food and groceries, the first ban of its kind. Let's break it down. Grocery costs are up nearly 25% since the pandemic shut down in March of 2020, outpacing general inflation. Over that same period, the companies behind the country's 10 largest food brands promised to return a $77 billion profit to shareholders. These retailers have blamed inflation for their rising prices, but they themselves have contributed to inflation by putting their record profits toward enriching their shareholders and buying back their own stocks. A UMass economics professor explained that the purpose of stock buybacks is so senior corporate executives and hedge fund managers can make more money. The rich are getting richer, that's the point, and we as consumers are paying for it, he said. Food companies have manipulated the market while the number of households facing food insecurity grew by 3.5 million between 2020 and 2022. Advocates for corporate tax cuts like Trump claim the companies would reinvest their profit back into the economy by creating jobs, but they haven't done that at all. They have kept the money for themselves. Remember, Trump slashed the corporate tax rate from 35% to 21% in 2017, but that's set to expire this year. So maybe the profits of the rich are soaring, but most Americans aren't feeling the effects of a booming economy.